and this is my presentation in culminating activity in humanities and social sciences. So, my preface is I am Integer Christine Ibabaw and I am 17 years old, and my strand and section is HUMS 12I, and my preferred career is psychologist. So my first background is this presentation will showcase my work and learning experiences as a HUMS student and a serving record that activities that contribute to my growth and education in my grade 11 and 12. So the purpose of the portfolio is to showcase my work that I have learned in the 8 specialized subject and reflect on myself with the skills I have acquired as a HUMS student or humanities and social sciences. So my selection of the artifact is I have reviewed my last activities in each subject, and I have chosen the activities and performance tasks that demonstrate effort, willingness to learn. So now let's proceed to my 8 specialized subjects. So in grade 11, we have the Philippine Politics and Governance, or PPG. We have the Introduction to World Religious and Belief System, Discipline and Ideas in the Social Sciences, and Discipline Ideas Applied in the Social Sciences. So that's it for grade 11, and now let's proceed to grade 12. So now we have community engagement, solidarity, and citizenship, creative writing, creative nonfiction, and trends, network, and critical thinking in the 21st century. So this is my artifact. It's a type of power na parang huhulaan po namin yung power. Tapos may scenario po doon na i-explain. Tapos para po parang identify po namin yun. So the description of the artifact is this performance task asked me to identify the difference in one scenario about the different types of power. So the learning goals reflected here is this activity teaches me to give a specific type of power in the scenario that I have been described. And my reflection is I have learned that it could help me to know the different types of power easily. That's for PPG, and now let's move into IWRBS, or Introduction to World Religions, Belief, and Systems. So my artifacts po is ito, and parang before kami mag-jump sa next topic, may kailangan po muna kami sagutan. So the description of the artifact is the activity, please be to answer the task before jumping to the next topic, and the learning goals reflected is this helped me by remembering what lesson that we have tackled, and my reflection is I have learned that reading it more carefully and understanding the lesson can have a big impact to every mind subject activities. So next is discipline and ideas in the social sciences. So this artifact, ito, parang kailangan po maghanap kami ng iba-ibang social sciences disciplines. So meron po itong linguistic, political science, and psychology, tsaka demography. So now, let's proceed. Description of the artifact. The activity shows the task in the discipline purposes, and the learning goals reflected is the task is to understand the purpose of different social sciences discipline. And now, my reflection po is I have learned that understanding these purposes can help me to apply it in real life situation. And now, let's move to discipline and ideas in the applied social sciences. Same lang po siya sa DISS, pero applied na po siya. But yung artifacts po namin is ito, ginawa po na itong groupings, tapos kailangan po namin mag-interview ng isang counselor, which is na-assign kami sa isang school. Yun po. Tapos, the description of the artifact is the activity assigned some groups to interview a counselor. So, ang na-interview po namin na counselor is teacher. And the learning goals reflected is this helped me to understand how counseling works as a HUMS student. So, my reflection is this artifact. I have learned in this activity that counseling can be hard, draining, and can affect our mental health. But at the end, if we love our passion, these things can be easier for us. Now, let's move to the grade 12 specialized subject, which is the CSC, or Community Engagement, Solidarity, and Citizenship. So, my artifact po is ito. parang may kailangan po kaming gawin na iba-ibang community dynamics. Meron po dong rural, suburban, at saka urban. Now, this activity let me to choose the activity that acquired knowledge in studying community dynamics, and the learning goals reflected this activity helped me to choose what career may be suited for me when it comes to community dynamics. And my reflection of the artifact, I have learned that having knowledge in community dynamics can have a big impact on having sustainable community. Now, let's move to creative writing. Ito po yung artifact. And yung ano po namin dyan is the country mouse and the city mouse. So, groupings po siya. So, kailangan po namin siyang i-act in front. So, the description of this is this activity said to use a fable to act in front of our class. And the learning goals is this activity helped me to memorize the script and put myself into the character. And my reflection in the artifact is I have learned that putting yourself in the character makes your acting more realistic and unique. Kasi kapag hindi po kaya i-apply yung sarili or ilagay yung sarili sa character, parang mahihirapan po tayong i-portray yung character na napunta sa atin. So, the next subject is we have the creative non-fiction. So, ito po yung artifact ko, and the description of the artifact, the activity asked me to read the story, and after reading the text, I will try to analyze it using the creative non-fiction framework. And the learning goals reflected are to include my analytical skills and understanding literary techniques. And my reflection on the artifact is I have learned the insights that I gained from analyzing the text. So, alam ko na po yung mga literary techniques na nagamit dahil nabasa ko na po yung story, and alam ko na po kung ano ilalagay, like imagery, visual, or something na mga ginamit for technique. And last but not the least, we have the trends, network, and critical thinking in the 21st century. So, ito po yung artifact ko, and my description is the activity asked me to identify patterns of trends, and this activity helped me to understand how smartphone influence behavior to every people worldwide. And the reflection on the artifact, I have learned that smartphones and in social media have made self-expression and connectivity easier for everyone. So, yung activity po is parang kailangan namin ma-identify yung trends kung bakit naging trend yung social media or yung smartphones. Alam naman po natin na sobrang laki ng impact po talaga niya. And for my personal vision and goals for the future, in the next 10 years, I see myself as working in the medical field, which is psychology. To be specific, my main goal is to become a licensed psychologist. This would be the result of a lot of hard work besides my career. I also want to be financially secure so I can support my family. Mostly important, I want to use my psychology skills with compassion, medication, and help people overcome their difficulties. And I also envision myself establishing a stable career where I can continuously grow and take new challenges. By that time, I hope I gain enough experience to contribute to programs promote mental health awareness, and I want to be someone who not only listens but also guides and inspire others, especially the youth, to rebuild their confidence and find hope. Above all, I aim to live with all purpose and the one that reflects values, and I believe the goal I work hard to achieve. So, I want to be a licensed psychologist, and parang kailangan ko pong maging matatag na makamit lahat ng yan. And beyond all, that's all. Thank you. And this is my quiz. Thank you.